Okay, let's see how we can create other models in place, like other commands. So I'll go to architecture again, component, all right, then model in place again, right? I will click here. So here, for example, I want to create columns, so you can go to columns as well, all right? So here are the column, if you sure about it. Okay, so give column 1 name, so you are here in the mode. Okay, so now we have the second option here is blend, right? The solid blend. It's very easy. Creates, if you will read the definition, you will get the idea about it. Create a solid 3D shape that changes along its length, blending from a starting shape to an ending shape. Means it will blend two 2D shape and it will create a 3D solid. Very easy. By blending this, you can create a lot of shapes, a lot of designs you can create. Look how it will work. Click blend command. So you will be in blend mode. First of all, you will create a base boundary. Right? Students get confused, like they look here and they think they are creating top. No, you are creating a base boundary. All right. So here we have depth, same like blending depth. We have chain, continuity, offset, and radius. Same extrusion commands we have. So base boundary you have to create first of all. Okay, XY plane we are working. If you show plane, so it will be plane on XY. So I will make this one. So make sure it's a base boundary. Now I want to create a top boundary. You need to go to edit top. Click here. So you will be on edit top boundary. Then just make another shape which you want to blend it, right? So you can make anywhere this shape, no problem, right? Now you finish this one, just finish this command. So you will be out of it. Now you will see the default extrusion was 250. That's why they blended 250, circle and rectangle. Like that you can also use. You can also use it manually like this. You can use it manually as well, right? So you can blend two shape and you can create the different kind of geometry. It's easy. Again, if you want to edit top, you can go to edit top. Again, you can edit top as well. You want to change the shape, you can change the shape as well, the boundary itself, right? And I want to create the arc, for example, like this. So you can create like this any shape. To finish this one, now the shape has been changed. All right. So this one you can create as a blend. Very easy. I will not finish this model. I'm still in modeling. So go to create again. Next we have revolve. That is most used command in Revit. All right. In all 3D software actually, right? If you will read the definition, creates a 3D shape by sweeping a 2D profile around an axis. Means you have two things. You need two things. You need a 2D profile and you need an axis. Axis will be used to revolve your 2D shape to create a 3D solid. Let's see how it will work, right? So I will click on revolve command. So you will be in creating mode. First of all, you have to decide an axis. Which axis you want to revolve. Look at the demo. It will tell you how you can draw. Click here axis and you can show your plane. So click on show, so it will show you. Still we are on XY plane. So now axis line, you can just make an axis line as well, like from here to here. So this will be my axis line. I want to revolve my 3D solid around it, right? Then you need to create a boundary. Click here and now you are in a boundary creation mode. So simple, you can make any model if you want to create. Click here, for example, click here. So I will create the same model in Revit demo they have created. All right, click here. And for example, you can click here as well and like that. So you need to complete the profile. Okay, make sure you completed the profile. Do not leave. Maybe some students, they think they have just made it and it will work. No, you have to complete and just finish it. That's it. Job done. All right. So now we have defined the axis, then we have just rotated. Many columns you can make with the revolve command, right? Many things you can make. For example, let's make a cup. How you will make cup inside, right? 3D Max. Yeah, like 3D Max, like AutoCAD, right? Many command, many components you can design. Create, revolve, right? Same axis you have to decide. axis line, I will just show my axis, so just draw it so that it will be easy for me. So then go to edit boundary. All right, so what I want to do, I want to create a curve, for example. So I will make a, for example, this arc here, right? Now maybe you think only one line will revolve around it. No. All right, so you have to create a complete profile. So what I will do, I will go to offset command. Okay, from here you can take offset command. Okay, it's easy, and you can create offset. Now I will just change the offset value. All right, from here like 100. So I will take like that. And also you have to combine it, right? I will take again arc command. All right, click here, and just combine it like that, right? So here I need to finish it. So what I will do, I will take again line command, and I have to finish this as well. Click here and click here. This one I want to trim it. Here we have trim extend command. Click here, click this one and this one, so it's trim. So that's how we have created profile for the curve. Just finish it and you will get your model. Look at this, very nice. All right, so this model you have created by Revolve command, right? Many things you can create, the columns you can create, a lot of things are here. You can create by using these commands. All right, for example, some students, they are asking, I want to create for example column here. So you can pick also axis. All right, for example, I will go to create again, then revolve again. So here we have axis line, click here. So here is the option also, pick line. No need to draw, right? You can click here, you can pick like this also. Now it's picked. Now you can start your modeling also here, right? So you can pick also any axis from here and you can draw your modeling. All right, so that was the revolve command. All right, so as you see, right? Let's see what else next we have. I will not finish this one. I will go to create again. Then sweep command, that is one of my favorite commands, sweep. All right, in sweep command you will be having one profile which will go along with the path. All right, let's see how it will work. Let me finish this all right, so that we can see. Okay, now I will go to again to model in place, then I will go to model in place, and for example in generic model I will keep this one. All right, then I will go to for example it's going to be sweep, right? This is most used command and most interesting command, believe me. All right, like parapet wall, you want to create the borders, you want to create even the cutout, you want to create groove, you want to create, you can use this command. Let's see how it will work. So what I will do, I will go to the sweep command. All right, so now it will be in creation mode. In sweep we have two things, we have a path and we have a profile. First of all, you need to select the path. So sketch path or pick a path. I will do both. First of all, I will pick a path. Click here, pick a path, and you can select this path. Right? Click here, and click here. Right? Like just think I want to create a parapet wall, or I want to create any like inside border as well. Once you pick the path, then finish it. All right? Once you finish it, you will be out of the selection of the path. Then it comes to draw a profile, the profile which will follow the path you have selected. Here we have by default built-in profiles. You can download the families from insert menu. You can choose also from here, right, if you want to choose, but I want to create my own. Click edit profile here, so you will be in drawing mode. Now here you can draw your family, your profile, right? For example, the line command I will use, and you can design your own, for example, the design of it. Look at this. Here, look, you have designed your own profile. Just finish it and you will see the finish again. Now you will see you have created your design, right? So this profile is following the path you have created, right? Same, for example, I want to create a border of this circle, like glass you have made it, I want to create a border of it. Very easy, I can create. Go to create again, then click on sweep. All right, Then pick a path, right? You need to pick a path from here. Then you can pick path like that. Look at this, very nice, right? Then finish this one. Then I want to select profile here. A lot of profile here: circular handrail, elliptical handrail, fascia, we have gutter, bevel. Just click this one, any of them, so it will show you like profile. Just finish it and you will see how it will create. Wow, it's amazing. I will tell you how you can make a cutout also by sweep command. All right, we'll go to architecture again. We'll go to component, model in place, generic model, click OK. Okay, all right. So sweep, then we'll go to sketch a path, right? So set the plane, pick a plane, click OK, this plane, right? Show, okay, all right. And I will draw a spline here, right? So click here, yes, now it's nice, okay, like that, okay, finish. Okay, now finish this one and I'll go to edit profile, right? Then you have to design it. Example like that, right? So click finish and finish, you will see it's like that, it's inside, right? So what I want to do, I want to make a wide. So I will select this one and then go to here, solid, and just you can change to wide. And you will change to wide, okay, still you can see it's not cut out, right? So we have to use one option here, that is the geometry option, cut. So you have to select this one, then you have to first select this one and then another object, right? Now you can see you have created like a groove inside. Look at this, right? So also you can use your sweep command to cut out the geometry as well, right? First you will change into white, then you will use cut command and you can cut it, right? So there are many ways to use sweep and you will be creating your own models, all right? Let's see the last command we have here, create, that is called swept blend, right? It's like a blend command, okay? In blend we have two shapes and they don't follow the path, right? But in swept blend we will be having two shapes but with a particular path. Creates a blend that sweeps along a defined path. That's the only difference, right? Let's see how it will work. So I'll go to swept blend and here same pick a path or sketch a path. I will sketch a path and here I will create a path, right? So for example, I will show my plane is here, right? So I can set the plane. Okay, so this will be my plane down, right? XY. So then I'll create here one path. So this will be my path, all right? So like this. So here I have path, all right? I will just switch off this one. So here I have a path, then you have to make two profiles only. Finish it, then come back, select profile 1, you can edit it, all right? You can draw it one profile like that, all right? Then finish it, then go to the second profile, right? Second profile, edit profile, and then you can make a second profile as well, right? So here we have two profile along with path, they are blending each other. Click here and finish it, then you will see you have created one more model. Look at this, right? Only the difference between blend and swept blend, it has a path, right? Okay, so these all are the methods you can use to create your own models in Revit, right? Very, very important. The last thing is void forms. These all commands are same what we have studied, but they were doing extrusion. Void means they will make a cutout. One mistake students are doing, they are not using any model and they are trying to void like that, okay? So it will not work, right? If you will try like this, so where you have to take it, nothing is here, right? The orange sign means you have to merge it with another model to make it cut out. So that mistake you will not do. Let's see how it will work. Void. Here you can see also we have void extrusion. So first of all, you should have extrusion here. Look at this. So I have this extrusion. Finish it. Alright, so this one. So I want to make a cutout inside by using void. So what do you have to do? You need to go create again the void extrusion. Click here. Then you have to make this one. Alright, click this and make this void extrusion and finish it. Now if you will move this one, you will see it will make a cutout. So we'll do create and then we'll go to swept blend, void swept blend, click here. Void means to make a cutout, just remember. So pick a path. So I will select this path, click here, then finish it, then go to swept blend, then select profile 1 and edit profile, right? So here we have to make profile 1, right? So I will select the circle 1. So here you have to make this one, right? Then finish this one. Then we need to go to profile 2. Click here, right? Then we need to create edit profile. Then you need to create another profile like that, right? So like this. Now finish this one. All right. So finish it. Now you will see it will make a cutout like that. So like if you want to make cutout anywhere, so like by following these all methods, you can create cutout as well, right? So that's all about the model in place, all right, in Revit, and how you can use to perform this all modeling in Revit.